Do you suffer from achy joints? Do you have sore, inflamed, aggravating muscles? Well, I've got a little recipe just for you. That recipe is pain relief gel. So it's another beautiful fucking day at the fucking park. That's right, I'm at the park getting my exercise on. Checking out the biology here by the trees. Not sure what these babies are, but some sort of fucking mite. Thought they were kind of cool. We also have feral chickens at the neighborhood park. Absolutely adorable. Alright, so let's take a break, yeah? So, in the spirit of exercise and having sore muscles and things of that general nature, let's talk about a little recipe you could use at home to deal with those sore joints and aching muscles. It is a pain relief gel that you will pretty much be able to make at home in a matter of like minutes, honestly. I am going to try my bestest to find you all the ingredients and link them down below in the description, and I will do that as well for the other video. My bad, I've been pretty baked lately and some things have just slipped my mind. How about I give you a little recipe for what I like to call Mad's Relief Gel. Now, you're only going to need a couple of things for this, and most of them are pretty inexpensive. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what the ingredients are. If you guys want a series on how to make some of these blends and formulations for some of the medicinal stuff, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll put together a little mini series, maybe a 3 or 4 part episode, maybe 5-parter actually, now that I think about it, and give you a general rundown of how to make formulations, how they work, what the individual things in a formula does, like the carrier, hydrosols, things like that. Anyways, and then maybe do a couple of little videos showing you some pretty good starter oils that you can use to, you know, that are pretty much safe for most people. Aren't really any allergies you have to worry about or things like that, to kind of get you started. But like all things, the more knowledge we acquire, the easier things get. And much like a lot of our organic farming techniques, which involve a lot of fermentation sometimes, it only looks complicated. But once you understand what some of the ingredients do and how they interact in your medium, making them from scratch or even supplementing stuff in your recipes can be pretty easy. If you want me to build that series together for you, let me know in the comments. It might take me a hot minute, but I guarantee that I'll make it worth you guys' time. The ingredients are as follows. Here's a small list of tools you will need. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, not juice. 1 teaspoon lavender hydrosol. Lavender is also an antibacterial, antimicrobial, and a nervine. Next, you will also need approximately 25 drops of pain relief oil blend. The recipe for that is as follows. Oil blend recipe.
Chamomile, 7 drops. Peppermint, 7 drops. Lavender, 49 drops. And marjoram, 21 drops. Pour all of these into a small dropper and use as necessary.
So, how do you use this beautiful little pain relief gel that you've now made for yourself? Well, that's actually a very simple answer. You will pour out about a nickel to dime size drop or dollop of pain relief gel from my Canadian folks. Looney, Toonie, Booney, Canoony, whatever. You know what I mean. A coin, whatever you doubloon. Well, maybe not a doubloon. Doubloons are rather large. Anyways, I'm getting carried away here. So you're gonna want to get a small dollop of pain relief gel, and you're going to then apply that generously onto the areas that are sore or are in pain. This is a very powerful anti-inflammatory, so it will reduce a lot of the swelling, which is usually the cause of a lot of pain in most sore muscles. Well, I'm pretty much done here, so hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought of today's episode, or if you guys have any suggestions on recipes or products you guys would like, in either infused or just in general, whether it's cosmetic or medicinal. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know. So until next time, guys, hopefully this recipe helps you guys out and finds you a little pain relief. So like always, keeping it fucking real. Don't forget to treat yourself, cause bitch, you fucking worth it. Laters.